Hello guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching. If you're new on my channel, my name is Yolanda and I really hope that you find my content to be helpful. And please, if you don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post a video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making an Ayurvedic oil using neem leaves and moringa leaves, and let's get right to the video. So guys, here are the benefits of using neem leaves on your hair. Neem leaves treats dandruff and itchy scalp. Neem leaves possesses antifungal and antibacterial properties that help remove dandruff once and for all, and it works wonders for itchy and flaky scalp. The leaves reduce dryness, flakiness, itchiness, and leave your scalp moisturized and healthy. Neem leaves promotes hair growth. Regular application of neem hair mask or oil can give you longer, voluminous hair without any extra effort. They improve your hair texture by keeping your hair thinning, breakage, and hair loss at bay. It prevents premature graying. The high level of antioxidants in neem leaves prevent premature graying of hair caused due to hormonal imbalance, sun damage, and stress. Neem leaves hydrates dry ends. Neem leaves conditions your hair from roots to tip and make it healthy looking and visibly soft. Treats head lice. It is rich in active components that help disrupt insect life cycle. They prevent hair loss and balding. Neem's high fatty acid content is extremely beneficial for a healthy scalp. It clears clogged pores and enhances hair growth. It gets rid of frizzy hair. The beauty of this tree struck me on my way back from the library, and I knew I had to get a branch. This is how the leaves look like. They are so beautiful. They have a zigzag edge on the sides. Put them in a blender and add moringa leaves to make my Ayurvedic oil more powerful. So just in case you're wondering about the benefits of using moringa leaves on your hair, you can click this link right here. It's going to direct you to the video where I'll be talking a lot more about moringa leaves and its benefits. So as always, I'm going to be using a coconut oil as the base. Then I'm going to let all the ingredients blend together. As you can see, this is how the oil looks like, and believe me, it is bitter guys. It has a bitter moody taste guys. It is like the real African traditional herb guys. It is bitter. Then I'm going to get a cloth and sieve. Guys, as you can see, my oil is ready. It is very moisturizing guys. It glides easily on the skin and also on the hair, and it makes it easy for me to detangle my hair. I don't even know where the slime feeling is coming from, but I love it guys. Like, I really love this oil on my hair guys. Like, it makes it easy to detangle. And sometimes I have to say that as a fussy girl, I find myself reaching for an oil before I even spray my hair with water. I know it's bad, but sometimes I find myself doing shortcuts, especially if I don't want my hair to shrink. This is the final product. I love this on my hair and scalp. It detangles my hair and invigorates the blood circulation guys. This mixture goes so well with the baking method at night. Like, I can hear the tingle feeling while I'm sleeping. I love it. So I'm so sorry guys, I lost the final clip of this video, but this is it guys. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and please, if you did, don't forget to like and share, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.